He's got a vision, a man of the people with a mission. He's standing all ready to fight for the right of all day and night. From the street to the hill of power, he's got to drive, he'll never cover. With compassion in his heart, he's on quest to build a future where we all can rest. He's got a plan, fight for the people and across the land. He's one of MLA of Meghalaya. He presented from Nongkran constituency, ready to make a stand. Together we can vote for change, hand in hand. So we can vote for change, let your voice be heard. He is the one's gonna turn the tide of the past and make a brighter day. He is the one's gonna turn the tide of the past and make a brighter day.